Hi guys, now today in this video I will showing you how can you install MySQL on your Android smartphone, and you can practice your MySQL from this Android smartphone. Okay, but for that you need to at first install MySQL. At first you need to install Linux on your Android smartphone, and after that you can install MySQL. Okay, so for that at first open your Play Store, and here you type user land. Okay, hit enter. After that you can see there is an app called userland. Okay, and simply click on install. Okay, after installation of this app, just open it, and after opening this app you will see there have many more options. Okay, so from that you need to select Ubuntu. Here you can see there is an option called Ubuntu. Okay, just simply tap on it and click on OK. Click on allow, and here you need to provide some username and password. So for that I need to provide username as root and password as 123 1234567 8. Okay, and another password is 1234567 8. Okay, just set up as it is, and after that click on continue. Okay, fine. Here you need to re-enter another username. I write as root123 and click on continue, and then click on SSH and click on continue. And after that you will see there is near about 8 MB to download. Okay, just click on continue, and after that you will see in the above corner it downloads something just like Ubuntu files. Okay, so just wait for it, okay, it download. Okay, fine. After completing download you can see here is a session option. Okay, so after installing Ubuntu SSH app file, here you can see in the session section here is Ubuntu SSH app, so hit on it. So after that you can see here root123 at the localhost password. So just provide your password which have been you created sometimes ago in the root123 user. Okay, so I have been pushed as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I provide this password in during this user root123 creation. So I provide this, and after that I hit enter. So here you can see root123 at localhost has been activated. Now for checking that you are under the Ubuntu terminal, just type here uname space hyphen a, hit enter, and here you can see Linux localhost blah blah blah, and another thing is GNU Linux has been ready. Okay, so now the process has begun. Now we can install MySQL. So for that you need to type sudo space apt sudo space apt space update. Okay, after that hit enter, and after that it will fetch some files from ports.ubuntu.com server, and here you can see the process is going on. Okay, so wait for some time. So okay, the thing is ready. Now you need to type the MySQL server installation command, which is sudo space apt space install space MySQL hyphen server. Okay, and hit enter, and after that it will load some files, and after that you will see it asking us for download 19.3 MB at chips. So click on Y and hit enter, and after that it will install MySQL server from its Ubuntu directory. The process is really simple and you don't need to worry about anything. You have been seen many videos on YouTube. They are seeing that how can you install MySQL, but they actually install MariaDB, not MySQL. Okay, but in this video we will actually install MySQL server on your Android smartphone, and you can practice your all the commands, all the queries which you need to for your semester or maybe college or maybe daily purpose use. Okay, so don't worry about it. So the process is 97%. This is ongoing and it takes some more times to finishing its installation. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, wait for some time. Yeah, so our installation has been completed. Now you need to type another command, which is sudo space service space mysql space start and hit enter. So after that you will see that it's starting the MySQL database and it answer is okay. So MySQL database has been started. Okay, so then you need to type sudo space MySQL and hit enter, and here you are in the MySQL table. Okay, MySQL command line interface. So for that you can write your query for MySQL. I type, let's say, show databases. Okay, hit enter, and here you can see the databases records are here. You, if you want to create another database, so you need to write create database, and let's say I write this database as 21 knob db semicolon, hit enter, query okay, and then you can type the command show databases colon, hit enter, and now you can see in the previous database there has not 21 knob db, there has not, but here. So now from that you can see that MySQL database command line interface. You can practice whatever query you want. Okay, now if you want to exit this, so just type exit, here is it, then type another exit. Okay, then type another time exit, then type another exit, then type exit, and again type exit. So now we are from the app exit point. Okay, so minimize it. So here you can see that we have been successfully installed MySQL database on our Android smartphone. So hope this video will be helpful for you, because I actually showing you that how can you really install and open MySQL database in your Android smartphone. Okay, so if you want to check that what version of MySQL in your smartphone right now, so you can write the command mysql hyphen version, hit enter, and here you can see the MySQL version 14 has been in your system right now. So I type exit to exit it. So hope this video will helpful. If you like this video, please like, comment and share my video on, and along with that you can also subscribe my channel. So thank you.